It's just past 10 o'clock. It's a mixture of rain and snow. We were supposed to snowboard today, but it was raining. It's gonna be raining till about noon. And I thought I'd rather fish in the rain and snowboard in the rain, so I'm just kind of killing some time here. In the snow, how epic. How epic. Yeah. Whew, it's a pretty fish. It's snowing right now. Okay, that's it. It's been about 90 minutes and the rain stopped. It's gonna be kind of partly, mostly cloudy the rest of the day, so we're gonna go hit the slopes. I caught a stick. Oh good, it came off. Oh, got one on the other side of that rock. Oh, that was awkward. Yesterday it was snowing, today it rains. Oh, he's feisty. Come on, come on, eat it. Oh. This one might be bigger. Laura's just begging for me to come back to the car. She knows it's raining. She thinks I'm just getting wet and miserable. But guess what, Laura? Oh, there he goes. Bye-bye. I think those are my footsteps from yesterday. And all the snow's gone. It rained a lot today. So that's it. It's been an hour. I'm gonna go home. Landed 2 fish. Nothing huge, but I'll take it. But yeah, moving forward into winter, hopefully Mother Nature decides to flip it.
Mother Nature's not a real thing.
Whatever. It's got to start snowing.
Hey, happy 3 hours to get home.
What's wrong with that? It's just you and me.
Blah blah.
Laura's upset we're not going to be home by 7. I think
I have to open tomorrow.
That's a really good time. I still haven't taken apart my fly rod. I'm gonna do that at the gas station.
Oh my gosh.
I'm still wearing my waders.